Hello and welcome to Bodygraph.ccom. Bodygraph introduces the AI extension at the Bodygraph App Integrations that will help you to adjust, translate, expand, and check the spelling of the content at your reading reports tool. In this particular video, we will discuss step by step how to create free Gemini API key and start testing it at your reports tool. So let's get started. Okay, so to start using AI tools at your reading reports tool, first we will need to connect Gemini through the app integrations. Therefore, navigate to app integrations at your Bodygraph account, click Create New button and select AI tab. Select Gemini and click Save. Now give the app a name. It can be anything, it's just for your reference. I will call it Gemini, and now we need to collect the API key of the Gemini. If you already have Google Gmail account, you simply need to log in to your Gmail or Google account at your browser and navigate to aistudio.google.com/app/API-keys, and this will be the place where you will find your API key. If you do not have Google or Gmail account, that means that you will need to create first account and again navigate to the exactly same link to find your API key. Now this API key is included at the free tier and you do not need to provide any billing details and use this AI tool for free with the limited requests. Obviously, if you will update your billing details and select a different pricing tier, the performance of the AI will improve significantly. However, this is optional, and I would suggest to start with the free tier and test it at the reading reports tool. So now that I'm here at the settings, I will click at my API key and copy and paste it into API key field and save it. Now that API key is already pasted into my app and saved, I have newly created an app integration at my app list, and I can start using this app integration at my reading reports. Now please bear in mind that this app integration indicator will not turn green, and that does not indicate that app integration is unsuccessful. These indicators must be supporting embed codes and only shows for the app integrations and payment integrations when the app or payment app is connected to the report or embed code. However, this particular app integration currently supports only reading reports, and maybe in the future will be introduced at the embed codes. Then this status indicator will be supported. At the moment, please ignore its status being red, as it does not indicate for app being unsuccessfully connected. You can start testing it at the reading reports. To start testing it at the reading reports, go into the reading reports and test with any of your reports. Now, I do not advise to start testing at your live report, or especially that is already enabled and is currently selling at your integrations. I do recommend for testing purposes to install any of the ready-made reports from the library and start testing at the test report. This way you can see the AI performance and decide whether you like to use this feature or not. Now, important to note that AI tool, once you will click at the text box, AI tool will appear as search pencil, and here you will be able to ask AI to rewrite the content, translate it into any language, shorten the content, continue writing, that means expand the content, correct the spelling, make the wording simpler, and change the content into the warm tone. Now please be aware that AI is selected and continue working on the entire text within the selected text box. There is no option to work with the partial content within the text box. the AI request will be applied to the entire content at the text box. If you want just to partially edit the content, I would recommend to duplicate the content, the text box, just remove the text that you do not wish to edit, and leave just that partial content that you wish to edit, and work with AI tool on that particular part of the content. And once it's adjusted, just copy paste back into your original text box. Now let's go ahead and test any of the requests. Let's just say I want to shorten the content. Now bear in mind that the performance of the AI, as I said, will depend on the price tier of the AI and also the AI type that you will select, the module. Now at the settings, as you can see, you can select several modules, and some of them will generate and give you a text output faster and some of them slower. If you have paid version, probably you will see more options and more modules to choose from. I do recommend to experiment with different modules and see which performs the best and adjust the text to your liking. Now, there are additional features that you can use once the output is generated. You can ask to generate and expand text even further by clicking more like this, or if you do not like the output, you can tell the AI to change the content. You can say this, but I would like it in, for example, different tone, or make it even more shorter, or make it just 3 paragraphs. So you can set the condition through button this but. Now once the content is generated and you're happy with it, there is option to either copy the content and paste it either outside the reading reports. You can add below, that means it will add below to the original content at the same text box, or replace the content within the same text box, and that means the AI will replace the text. So let's just say if you made the translation to the different language, you can ask to replace it and it will immediately replace the content within the text box. Now, if you're generating the content for your report using AI, just from the couple of words, please remember that AI might make mistakes, especially related to the human design and astrology knowledge, and therefore please always ensure that you double checking and proofreading if generated content is accurate and actually worth using at the reports. Please keep in mind that Bodygraph is not liable for any accuracy or quality of the content, and you are using the AI tool at your full discretion, and we are not responsible to guarantee that the generated output is correct and represents human design or astrology accurately. This tool will significantly improve the usage of the ready-made reports for people who serving businesses in completely different languages, as it will allow to translate the content in any language that you desire very quickly. However, as I said previously, it is very important to proofread every single AI output to ensure that translation is correct and accurate. I hope that you will enjoy using Gemini AI Assistant at your reading reports. Now, if you will have additional questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to support@bodygraph.com and we will be more than happy to help. Best of luck in your content creation journey, and I will see you in the next videos.